Hi guys, this is Nidhi and in this video I am creating this makeup look which is like a very soft and fresh makeup look. I think it's perfect for a brunch party or for any day event, wherein you don't want too much going on your eyes. So I've kept my eyes very soft and subtle. So I'll take you through each and every product that I have used in this video. So keep watching the video to see how I created this makeup look. So my face is absolutely moisturized. I'm starting with my foundation first. So the foundation that I'm using today is from Maybelline Fit Me, and the shade that I'm using is called 220. Just taking a little bit on my brush and applying it all over my face. Now this foundation is not very thick, so it will give you like light to medium coverage. That's what we need for the day scenes. Don't go for really thick or heavy foundations when you're going out or when you're stepping out during the daytime. So this is something that I like to do. Just keep my skin very natural. Always remember to push your foundation down also, because it should not look like a mask. So just try to push it down towards your neck a little bit. After this, I'm taking this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and this shade is medium. Applying it under my eyes and also on my eyelid. And if you see any spots on your face, you can apply it there also. I have little spots here. Just applying a little bit here. Taking a damp beauty blender and blending everything. Again, this is a very thin concealer. It's a very light concealer. It won't give you a lot of coverage, but I think for my dark circles, this one is good enough. And as I said, the idea is to look very natural, very fresh. That's the reason don't go for any heavy foundation or concealers. So now I have a very dry skin, so I avoid setting my base or like putting a lot of powder on my face. But if you have an oily skin, I would suggest just use a little bit of a compact or maybe a loose powder to set this base. Now I'm taking this blusher. This one is from L'Oreal. It's called Sunset Glow. This is the shade, okay? So it gives a very nice pinkish, peachish glow on the face. So this is what I'm using. Let's go on to the eye makeup now. So I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Lotus Makeup. It's called Lotus Ecostay Velvet Eyeshadow, and the shade is called Autumn Feel. So these are the 4 beautiful shades that you get in this palette. So I think it's perfect for creating a day look or a brunch look, which I am creating now. So I'm starting with this brown bronzy shade, okay? Taking it in my blending brush. So applying this shade on my crease and also on the outer corners. Now I'm taking this shade from the palette and applying this on my eyelid. So I'm applying the shade right at the center. I'm going to leave the inner corner because I'll be applying another color there. These colors are very pigmented. You don't need to spray the brush with a makeup fixer to apply this. This is highly pigmented and very easy to blend. After this, I'm taking this beautiful pink shade here and applying this shade in the inner corner. Now I'm taking this Kajal pencil from Lotus Makeup. It's called Ecostay Kajal and it's smudge proof and waterproof. Also, it's very velvety in texture, so the application is very smooth. what I'm doing is I'm not applying it in the waterline right now, but I am just applying a very thin line on, you know, very, very close to my lash line. So this is what I've done. I've applied like a very thin line just to, you know, shape my eyes a little bit more and define my eyes. So same on the other side. Alright, it's time to apply lots of mascara. So for that, I am using this mascara from Lotus Makeup. It's called Maxlash Waterproof and Volumizing Mascara. I want to show you guys the wand of this mascara. So basically this is how the wand looks. It's shaped really well. It's thin. It's very, very easy to reach out the inner corners with the help of this wand. Otherwise, you know, I find it really difficult to apply mascara in the inner corners, but with this, it's absolutely easy. Now, if you are a Kajal person, then please go ahead and apply Kajal in the waterline. Well, I usually don't apply Kajal in the waterline if I'm wearing a liner. So I'm going to skip the Kajal for this look. I will just go back to the eyeshadow palette again and I'll apply some eyeshadow in the lower lash line. So I'm taking this pink color, which we applied in the inner corner, and applying it here in the lower lash line. So I'm applying this pink color only till here, like just the half of my lower lash. And now I'm taking this color which we applied on the lid, in the center of the lid, taking this color and applying it at the remaining areas. Don't forget to apply mascara in the lower lashes. I love to apply gloss when I'm creating this soft, subtle look, you know, just to add a lot of shine to the face. I'm applying this lip gloss, which is from Lotus Makeup. It's called Pro Edit Lip Plumper Plus Lip Gloss. So basically, it's a lip plumper. The shade that I'm using is called Sun-Kissed Beige. So yes, this is the final look. This is my brunch makeup look. What do you think about it? Do let us know in the comment section below. And I'm absolutely loving how the eyes have like different colors, but yet it's looking very soft and subtle. And yes, of course, this sun-kissed beige lip gloss is perfect to get those sun-kissed pictures in the daylight. So yes, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.